In this video, we are going to look at a simple trick that's going to put the odds in your favor if you are trading with Forex robots, automated trading systems, EAs, whatever people call them. So how do we make sure that we improve the chances of our Forex robot making more money, taking more profitable trades? By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only way to keep me motivated to be sharing these videos with you. The knowledge that I have, my experiences in trading, and yeah, if you are looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, systems, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Everything is just there for free. Everything is free. Everything that we show on this channel is for free. If you want to test robots in real market conditions, the broker that I use, their link is in the description box below. You can open an account for as low as $5. For me, that's the best way to be testing Forex robots, strategies, systems, and stuff like that. I'm not very big on testing things on demo. I like testing things in real market conditions. So you can open a $5 account, which means you don't risk too much. So you can simply open a $5 account with my broker. Then you can test the robots, you can test the systems, the strategies in real market conditions without risking too much. So let's get into today's video. How do you actually improve the odds of your Forex robot of it making money? Because I've seen many people who subscribe to the idea of just taking a robot, plonking it on their charts, and they walk away, and they're shocked when they come back and the robot has blown their account. Personally, I do not believe that you should take a Forex robot automated trading system and just give it your account and you close your laptop and you walk away, and hopefully you come back and everything is perfect. If there was a robot like that, I 100% promise you people would not be selling it. If there was a robot that you could just take, plug it onto your charts, and walk away, go and sip your pina coladas at the beach and go and do something else, and you don't have to do anything on your part, I promise you nobody would sell you that robot. But because you're buying these robots from these people who are selling them thousands to other thousands and thousands of other traders, it means those robots are not exactly as what you think they are. But there are some ways where you can actually turn a somewhat profitable trading robot into a good trading robot, so you can improve its chances of making money in trading. So it's going to require you to do something. Obviously it's going to require you to do something. Obviously there's no plug and forget. There's no plug and forget automated system. If I had it, trust me, I will not even share it with anybody. I'll keep it a secret. So the first thing that you want to do if you're going to improve the odds of trading robots in your favor is what many people actually don't associate with automated trading. What you want to do is, as a trader, you need to do your own analysis. Do you understand that? Yes, you're going to be using a robot, but you actually need to do your own analysis. You need to analyze the charts yourself. You need to understand the charts yourself. For example, the strategies that I use, you already know I trade mostly supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you guys call it. But I want I prefer calling it zone to zone. And that's basically how I trade from this zone to this zone, zone to zone, zone to zone. That's how I look at it. So, what would I do in this scenario to improve a trading robot that it makes more money than it probably would if I just plug it and leave it to its resources? What you want to do is analyze your charts first. For example, in this scenario, let's say in this scenario, I happen to come on this chart and I definitely noticed here that we are going to be bearish. There's no doubt about it. We are going to be bearish. We are going to be bearish from this point on. When I actually plug in my robot, the mistake that you guys do, why would you plug in the robot in this scenario and you actually keep it to trade both directions? For example, let's just look for a robot. Let's just pick this robot. It's Armageddon. You find that somebody will just trade the robot, and what? When they come here, this is where you tell the robot whether it should buy or whether it should sell. A person will say long and short, like buy and sell, and just allow the robot to do buying and selling. But we can see in this scenario that the market is dropping. Why do you want the robot to buy in this scenario? Of course, they are going to be like reversals. If you go down to the lower time frames, let's maybe go down to the 1 hour. Of course, they are going to be those reversals, but you can tell that the overall momentum is what? Is bearish. The overall momentum is actually bearish. So, of course, some people would say, yes, but I want to catch these smaller moves as well. But the problem is these smaller moves are not guaranteed for you. They are not guaranteed for you because momentum is on the downside. So you might actually buy here and it continues to drop. And probably you buy at this point and it continues to drop. That's how you start accumulating losses. You start accumulating losses in this move. Whereas if you had just set your robot to only short, of course you get these reversals and you probably start sweating. But overall, if you just let the robot be, because your analysis on the higher time frame is that we are shorting the market, eventually you are just making money. You're just making money because you're going with the flow. So I don't subscribe to this idea of just taking a robot and giving it money and closing your laptop and going and playing at the beach. If it happened that way, I promise you many people would have been billionaires by now. So, in order to put the odds in your favor with your trading robot, if you found a trading robot that's performing fairly well, let's say the trading robot has got 50%, 55%, 60% success rate. These are some of the things that you can actually do in order to boost the chances of that robot making more money. Do your analysis. In this scenario, why would you let the robot take a sell trades in this scenario? This is on the daily. In this scenario, why would you let the robot take sell trades? It doesn't make sense. Of course, I also had that idea back in the day where I wanted to win both ways. I wanted to win with the buys. I wanted to win with the sells. But I realized that you simply just need to go with the flow. If we're in an uptrend, just set the robot to buy. You will take more safe, risk-free trades with the robot when you're just following the trend. If we're in a downtrend, just tell the robot to sell. That's it. Just tell the robot to sell. You find that you have very little risk and very few losing trades because you're just going with the trend. So that's basically one of the ways you can boost the rate at which your robot is succeeding in the market. You cannot just take a robot, blindly place it on a chart and hope and pray that it's going to make you lots of money. If anybody promises you that and they charge you even $1 million for that robot, and they go and charge another person $1 million for that robot, and they repeat it to 1,000, 10,000 other people, what do you think? I promise you, if anybody had a robot that worked 100%, you just take it and you plug it and you forget about it. All you have to do is just look into your bank account and see the money rolling in. I promise you, nobody would be selling that robot. Every robot needs you to do something, some input, in order to improve its success rate. And this is one of the ways of doing that. So subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.